Hey YouTube, it's your girl Jasmine, or also known as Lil Self. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and just tell you a little something about me. I am 26 years old. I'm a nursing student at Baptist College Health Science in Memphis, Tennessee. I am from Memphis. Of course, my major is nursing. What else? I am a natural. I've been natural for 5 years, but I did the big chopping 3 years ago. I know that sounds backwards, but we really I did the big chop two times. On this channel, I will be talking about natural hair, makeup, skincare, beauty tips, hair tips, nursing, life, cooking, like anything you want to talk about. I also want to talk about being organized as well, and whatever y'all want to talk about. I just want to get to know y'all better. So whatever y'all want to talk about with me, I'll be more than happy to talk about with you all. But in the meanwhile, you can follow me on Instagram. That's Lil Self, LIL apostrophe self, SELF 9292 underscore. And that's for Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat. So subscribe and like.